Hello friends, I am BM. In this video, I am going to show you how to delete folder data without delete folder. Okay, let's start the video. Now you see here, I am open here download data. I want to delete this data without select data. Okay, by using command prompt or command. Okay, close this. Now press Windows plus R and type here notepad. Hit enter. Now type here echo of enter. Now type command here. Okay, now copy path from which folder or data you want to delete. Copy path, open this PC. I want to delete download. Okay, one user, click on VM. Now click on download. I want to download data. Okay, now select this location. After select, paste here location and complete this command here. Okay, okay, this command is in description. Okay, after this, now save this file. Click on file. Now click on save as. Give file name here. Give name here download. Now change here all file. After this dot bat. Now click on save. Now you see how to delete data without open folder. Now I'm just show you folder data. No need to open folder. Okay. Now just click on this bad file. You see all data are deleted. Okay, folder is not deleted, only open file delete. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.